Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone swipe up not working issue. If the swipe up gesture on your iPhone is not working as expected, it can be frustrating as it is a fundamental part of the user's interface. So guys, here are some troubleshooting steps you can try to address the issue. Our step number one is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to your settings. Tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. Wait for a while until your iPhone is restart. So guys, you can see my iPhone is restarting. Until then, like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos. So guys, after restarting your device and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Update often include bug fixes and improvements, so you have to open your general, tap on software update, tap on general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. Like I am having an update of 17.2. All I have to do is simply tap on update now or I can update it tonight. After trying these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for physical damage. Inspect your iPhone screen for any physical damage, including cracks or water damage. Physical damage might affect the touch sensitivity on your screen. After this, then you have to do is simply clean the screen. Ensure that that the screen is clean from any dirt, smudges, or debris. Use a soft, length cloth to gently clean the screen. After cleaning the screen and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply enable the assistive touch. If the swipe up gesture is still not working, you can enable assistive touch or as a temporary workaround. You have to open your settings and tap on accessibility. After this, tap on touch and tap on assistive touch and you can see your option. Simply enable it. After trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply reset all settings on your iPhone. You can try setting all settings on your iPhone. This will reset your settings, but not your data. So you have to open your settings, tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, tap on Reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel of upcoming videos and thanks for watching.